Stop passively reading textbooks. Psychology proves that traditional studying methods are a complete waste of time. We'll expose the power of active recall, spaced repetition, and interleaving to accelerate your learning by 10 times. Prepare to ditch the highlighter and embrace the science of rapid knowledge acquisition. Let's talk about active recall. It's not just rereading your notes. It's about forcing your brain to actively retrieve information. Think of it like this. Instead of passively reading about the hippocampus, quiz yourself. Flashcards are great for this. Cover up the answer and try to remember. Self-testing is key. The testing effect shows that the very act of testing helps you learn better. Next up is spaced repetition. Don't cram everything in the night before. Instead, review the material at increasing intervals. So, if you learn something today, review it tomorrow, then in 3 days, then in a week, and so on. This helps with memory consolidation. It moves information from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. Apps like Anki can really streamline this process. You can schedule it using a physical calendar too if you want. Now, let's talk about interleaving. This means mixing up different subjects or topics during your study sessions. So, instead of studying all of psychology for 3 hours, mix it up with some sociology or history. It might feel harder at first, but it's much more effective. Interleaving forces your brain to actively discriminate between different concepts. It helps you understand the differences and similarities better. What's the cognitive psychology behind all this? Well, these techniques work because they improve encoding, retrieval, memory consolidation, and promote synaptic plasticity. Encoding is how your brain initially processes information. Retrieval is how you get it back out. Memory consolidation is how your brain strengthens those memories over time. Synaptic plasticity refers to how your brain changes and adapts at the level of neurons. How can you actually use this? Make a study plan. Set realistic goals and manage your time. Find a quiet place where you can focus and concentrate. Minimize distractions. It's also important to be aware of cognitive load. Don't try to learn too much at once. Break it down into smaller chunks. And be aware of cognitive biases. These are mental shortcuts that can lead to errors in thinking. One such bias is confirmation bias, where we tend to only look for information that confirms our existing beliefs. Don't forget about motivation. Learning is easier when you're motivated. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that you can improve your abilities through hard work and dedication. Self-efficacy, or the belief in your ability to succeed, is also crucial. Remember, these techniques are not a magic bullet. Everyone learns differently. We need more research to understand how these techniques can be tailored to individual learning styles. Also, it would be useful to better understand the neural pathways involved in these processes, and perhaps discover how to target these pathways to enhance memory and understanding. Did you find this helpful? There's a lot of work ahead to uncover the best strategies and techniques available for learning. This video left many other problems unresolved for future study, as this process is evolving. If so, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content.